Hello everyone and welcome to my first YouTube video where you'll learn how each and every one of you watching this video can be a millionaire by retirement. Today I'm going to be explaining stocks for complete beginners in a way that all ages can understand. The goal of this channel is to teach what I wish I learned in high school concerning money, investing, and entrepreneurship. A little background about myself is that I'm a finance major at a Wall Street target school, I'm vice president of a startup incubator, I'm developing an app for the App Store, I run my own e-commerce business, I have a finance TikTok with 177,000 followers, and now my goal is to educate young people about investing. With that out of the way, let's hop right into explaining. To start, why do we invest our money? We invest so our money works for us. Your money actually loses about 3% of its value every day just sitting in your bank account due to something called inflation. To counter this, we invest our money. So not only do we beat inflation, we actually have our money grow for us. And the most common way of doing this is through stocks. So what even is a stock? Basically, a stock is a very small percentage of that company. That means when you buy Tesla stock, you essentially own a very small piece of Tesla. The idea of investing is buying pieces of companies you believe in and think will grow in the future. Think of making money in stocks like buying Pokemon cards. People buy Pokemon cards now and hold on to them because they think the Pokemon cards will increase in value and they can sell it more for what they bought it for down the line. For example, some people buy these cards and put them away and basically forget about them and wait a couple years until they're worth more. That Pokemon card isn't paying them every day, but what it is doing is increasing in value and they can later sell that down the line. Stocks are the same way. You are buying Apple stock now, hoping they will gain more customers, make more profit, and overall become a more valuable company. So if you bought Apple stock today, kind of like a Pokemon card, and wait for it to become more valuable and sell it later, you make money. Yes, stocks basically are glorified Pokemon trading for adults. The key to making a lot of money off stocks that 99% of people don't understand is that you first have to leave a like for the YouTube algorithm. I'm joking, but seriously, that small act of kindness will boost my videos so much, and hopefully I can educate more people for free about stocks. So once you get that little act of kindness out of the way, let's hop into the next part. Another way to think about investing is with seeds. So it's the end of the week and you just got this seed. A lot of people think this looks really good. I'm just gonna eat it right now. Some other people might say, wow, I really like this seed. I think I'm gonna set it aside and save it for later. And finally, you, being the smart person you are, you say, I wanna plant this seed and have it grow to make me more seeds. That is essentially the difference between spending, saving, and investing. Spending is enjoying that money in the moment. Saving is setting it aside, and while it'll be there later in life, it's going to be worth less and rotting away. And finally, investing is like that last seed. Not only does it stay fresh, it actually grows and makes you more seeds. I hope that little analogy makes sense. So now that you understand stocks a bit, what are the next steps? The first step is to learn as much as possible. I taught myself everything about investing from YouTube, and you can too. My favorite investing YouTubers are 2 Cents, The Plain Bagel, and Graham Stephan. Shameless plug, but I will also be doing my best to teach you about investing through my YouTube channel and TikTok account. I don't sell a course or a premium Discord, nor do I want your money for that matter. There are already enough people trying to take your money, so I'm fine with giving you my information for free. My dream is to be an influencer someday, so I see it as trying to provide you with the most value, so hopefully I can earn a subscription or a follow. And if you want an even more immersing approach to investing, I highly recommend joining our Discord linked in the description. It's filled with people just like you trying to learn about investing. In this Discord, you can private message me, you can see my favorite investing books, I'll be sending some YouTube videos I like, and there's a Q&A section that you can talk with other moderators. Regardless of how you use it, the Discord's a great community of like-minded people. Now that you have some trusted sources for learning, the next step is actually practicing. I highly recommend starting off investing with fake money through an app such as Market Sim. The best way to learn is by doing, and this is a safe way to practice. Now, some of you might not want to have to study charts and follow the news every day. This is where long-term investments come in. These investments are things that you just put money in every month and let it grow to retirement. Arguably, the most famous of these is called the S&P 500. The S&P 500 is a collection of the 500 biggest US companies. These are great companies like Apple, Amazon, Google, and Tesla. The idea behind it is that you're investing in a collection of great companies so that not all of your eggs are in one basket. For example, if you put all of your money into Tesla and it goes to zero, you lost everything. But if you're investing in the S&P 500 and Tesla goes to zero, you still have 499 companies to carry that loser. I love the S&P 500, and historically it's increased by about 10% every year. And this is where I get into how everyone can be a millionaire by retirement. So going off the historical average of an increase around 10% every year, if you were to invest just $100 a month from age 18 until retirement, you're projected to have over $1.5 million by retirement. So as you can see, that's the power of compound interest through diversified long-term investments. And once you get better at investing, you can actually spend time researching companies and pull way more than 10% every year. And that is when you can start making absurd amounts of money. Now you're probably asking, how do I actually invest? So I'll link all of my favorite investing apps in the description below. But what I think is the best app for beginners is Public. I genuinely use Public every day and it's way better than Robinhood, which is what I used to use. It's tailored for beginners, so they have things such as safety labels on potentially risky stocks. There's also a social media feature, so you can see what other people are investing in, such as Graham Stephan, Shaq, or even my own portfolio. And you actually get to choose this free fractional share, so you can choose something like Tesla, Apple, Amazon, or even the S&P 500 through the form of SPY. There are so many other great beginner features with Public, and I would not promote it if I didn't genuinely believe in it. Public is my favorite, but quite honestly, just start investing any way you can that's easiest for you. Also, drop a comment for the YouTube algorithm if you'd want me to make a video comparing the pros and cons of the big investment apps. And if you have any questions, make sure you comment them because I'll be replying to all the comments within the first hour of me posting this video. Anyways, I hope this video was useful in helping you understand investing a bit more. And remember, I do not make money off these YouTube videos, so it would mean so much if you could leave a like and comment something like your phone battery percentage just to help boost the algorithm. Thank you so much for making it to the end of the video and for all the tremendous support so far. The TikTok OGs will understand this, but comment IYKYK in the comments if you've made it to the end of the video. Basically, this stands for if you know, you know, and it's just a little inside joke we do for people that make it to the end of the video. Not only will I see this and engage with your comment, I want to see other people engaging with each other's comments. You guys are real ones for making it to the end of the video. And again, feel free to join the Discord link in the description if you want to message me personally or join in on our weekly game nights. Thank you so much for everything. It would mean the world if you could leave a like, comment, and subscribe to help boost the YouTube algorithm. And finally, I'm so grateful for each and every one of you. Thank you and have a great day. Bye.